Hello, welcome to 3S Macro class. In previous sessions, we talked about pump controllers in agriculture and building water supply. Today, we'll focus on the HVAC system and explore their applications in this field. Part 1. The role of pumps in HVAC. First, let's clarify the core value of pumps in HVAC systems. Whether for cooling or heating, pumps circulate the water to drive the system and maintain the flow and pressure needed at the terminal units. Therefore, it's the very heart of the entire circulation system and critically important. Part 2. Why pump controllers are needed. During HVAC operation, pumps often face issues like frequent start-stop impacts, pressure fluctuations, and uneven loads, directly affecting systems' lifespan and efficiency. The value of a pump controller lies in ensuring stable system operation while providing essential internal control and protection. More importantly, HVAC systems rely on signals like temperature, pressure, flow, and liquid level to enable automated coordinated operation. Part 3. Core functions of pump controllers. Rational start-stop logic. Based on system signals and start-stop delays, the controller enables automatic operation, reduces frequent actions and unnecessary flow or pressure fluctuations, and better protects pumps and piping components. Dual pump rotation control, automatically alternating operation with switch, delay, and timer-based rotation functions. Balancing load and operating hours, reducing single pump wear and extending service life. Fault protection function monitors abnormalities like overcurrent, overload, and water shortage in real time, stopping operation and alerting to prevent accident escalation. Part 4. Application scenarios. In practical applications, pump controllers are widely used across HVAC subsystems, including chilled water systems, cooling water systems, heating circulation systems, and terminal booster systems. With the development of LOT and smart control, pump controllers are becoming an essential part of modern smart buildings. So, has your HVAC project implemented intelligent control yet? Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. That's all for today. Follow us for more tips and insights. See you in the next session.
On manned pump control, choose 3S.